Hey guys, so this video is going to be about comments in Helix. You can comment a line by pressing Ctrl-c, and to uncomment it, you can press Ctrl-c again. You can also use space+C to do the same thing. If you want to comment multiple lines, you can use V, of course, to go into select mode. So now I can select all of this. And then I can extend my selection to the whole line using X. And now I can press Ctrl-c again. And now I commented this whole paragraph here. But of course, this is not a multi-line comment. This is just a bunch of single line comments here. So to do a multi-line comment, you can use space, capital C, or space Shift-C. Now, as you can see, this is a multi-line comment. And yeah, that's basically it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.